Well, today is the first day of youth season in Southwest Mississippi. November the 7th, correct? Yeah, November the 7th. I got a little bit of footage of the hunting scenario, but it was too dark when this deer came out. Cody just shot we think is a doe. We've got blood. It looks like good lung blood. And we have Remi. Remi has trailed a few deer. Our main dog, Prince, he died about 6 months ago. He was 4 months old, and he was awesome.
4 years old.
4 years old, died 6 months ago. That was kind of strange. This has been an interesting evening. So we're fixing to go see if Remi can track this deer. I think I heard the deer fall, but I want to get Remi some practice. So we're going to put him on it, and we'll get back with y'all on the track. All right, Remi's on blood. Come on. Which way? There you go. There you go. Work it out. She didn't go that way, did she?
When I saw her, she looked like she went up a little bit and then went into the woods.
All right, shine your light down. See if you see any blood.
Yeah, there's some.
All right, good. Come on, Remi. Good job, buddy. Where's she at? There you go.
I see some more. He just stepped over.
All right.
He's on the right trail.
Yep, there's blood right there. Right here, shine right here. Yep, blood right there. Good, bright blood. Hold on, Remi. You going places I can't go, buddy.
That's the tough part about adoption.
I know it. Good boy. Try to keep up with us, Cody.
Yeah. Got 2 lights to do it with.
He is pulling me every now and then. Make sure you see blood. Boy, he is pulling.
He must be right up here.
You still on the track?
There's blood.
All right. Remi's on blood. Ha ha! Ha ha! Come here, Remi. Come here, Remi. Come here, Remi. Look at there. Look at there, Remi. That big old doe. Good job. Remi is 1 for 1 on his own. Good job, Remi. Look up and smile like you happy or something. What about it, Remi? Huh? Good job. Good job. All right, so we're in the truck again. We recovered Cody's deer, and we're heading back to the camp house. There's a hunting club really close to my house that always does a big youth event every year. And Cody, this is gonna be his last year. He just turned 15, and he'll be 16 before they have it again next year. And so we're fixing to head back to the clubhouse. I don't know how many other kids have connected tonight. We got the doe in the back. She's a decent sized doe. And we're gonna probably eat a little bit of supper, fellowship. This event is put on by Rain Down Ministries. Y'all look them up. I'll try to remember to put a link to their Facebook page in the description. We'll have a short little devotional, and they always give away big prizes at the end of the night to all the kids. They give away guns and hunting gear and lights and feeders and all kind of cool stuff. So we're about 5 minutes away from getting back to the camp house, and we'll just see how the rest of the night goes.
This is a local hunt, just helping these guys, all right?
Right.
But we have a hunting camp, all right, where it's kind of like an outfitter, but it's only youth hunters. So it's 3 days, 2 nights, whitetail deer hunt. We teach God's design for hunting and conservation, sporting clays, pump-o-matic. We'll have the pump gun there for you, and all of those things. So you won that tonight in Doc's memory. So every year we'll give away a hunt for 3 days, 2 nights, whitetail hunt, father-son, and so you guys won that tonight. Your name was randomly drawn tonight. I think God's hand was all over it. So, Pump-O-Matic, I'll be ready to have you back, bud. Huh? What do you think about that?
Congratulations, buddy.
So, we'll do that this year, and I'll get your information. We'll set that up. Probably be in January, most likely. It'll be good. Sound good? Well, and we'll hunt in the Delta, some in the Delta, so it'll be a good time.
Good deal. Thank you, Landon.
You're welcome.